Welcome, and in this video I'm going to show you the best settings for SteelSeries Arctis Nova 7. So right here you can click down below in the description on the link, and this will import the configuration in your SteelSeries sonar, but if you don't want to, I will show you the settings. So I turned on the equalizer. You can copy my points. I will just go fast through them. You can pause on the points if you want to. For the bass, I used 2.1, but you can lower it to 1.5, something around that. For the voice, I usually use 0, and for the treble, what I use is around 3 or 3.2. And for the spatial audio, sometimes I use it, sometimes I turn it off, just for the preference, your own preference, and try it out without and with. So you'll see which do you like the more. And for the gain, I don't use at all. Smart volume is turned off too. So these are the sonar settings. And if you go to the control panel of the sound, so just go and type change system sounds on your Windows search. And if you go to the playback, just find the SteelSeries headphones. So right now, what I will do for the gaming, I will go to the levels, adjust that, but make sure this is on 8 channel and on the studio quality. Click apply and then click OK. And that should be able to make your sound better. So do for all of those, and that's how you set the best SteelSeries settings for Arctis Nova 7. So if you like this video, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.